We all live very busy lives, and the time we spend in the kitchen is precious. So we want to make sure we're getting the most bang for our buck when it comes to the foods that we're making. And today I've got Dr. Erin Barrett, the Director of Innovation at Shaklee, and she's going to help show us how we can supercharge a couple foods that we make on a regular basis and probably have in the pantry. Dr. Erin, thank you so much for joining us today, and welcome.
Thank you so much for having me. It's great to be here. So you're absolutely right. And there are 3 ingredients I would love to talk about today, 3 nutrients that are just great to supercharge your foods with. So first of all, protein, and then fiber, and then of course those essential vitamins and minerals, specifically those ones that we're not getting enough of from our diet alone. So what I'd love to do is share some really easy ways to incorporate these into your day with some delicious recipes. And with these recipes, we're gonna start with just some really nutrient-dense foundational foods, and then to them, add an extra ingredient to really supercharge the nutritional value of these delicious recipes.
I love that. So what's this first one?
Yeah, so this is a no-bake protein bite recipe. Again, a delicious recipe. So the ingredients we will use start with a nut butter of your choice, and you'll add that to the oats, and then you'll have the flaxseed, a little bit of honey, and then 2 scoops of the protein powder. You can add some coconut.
Go ahead, put some of that in.
Chocolate chips.
Ooh, yum.
And my kids would definitely love the sprinkles. And then a couple tablespoons of water. Give it a stir, and hopefully it should mix really well. So make sure they're nice and smooth. You're gonna put them into the fridge or the freezer to cool them for a bit, so just so they're easier to handle, and then roll them into balls. And it makes about 12 to 15 balls per recipe.
So why is fiber so important?
So fiber is one of those ingredients that most people just aren't getting enough of, and it has so many benefits. So first of all, it's just like protein. It's super satiating, so it's great to have in between meals to help keep you feeling full. It also supports heart health, it supports digestive health, and like I said, a lot of people just aren't getting enough of it.
You need 28 grams a day, and most people get between 10 and 15. So you really need to find ways to fill that gap.
And how much is in one serving of the Life Shake?
1 serving of Life Shake has 6 grams of fiber. Great way to add fiber to your day.
So collagen, why is it so important, and what makes it different?
Now this collagen product, Collagen 9, it actually contains all 9 essential amino acids.
Whereas other collagen products on the market, they only have 8. And why is that important? Because in order for our body to make collagen, you actually need all 9 essential amino acids. So with this product, we're giving your body everything you need in order to support the synthesis of that collagen, so you can support your hair, your skin, your nails, your joints.
Awesome.
This exciting new recipe is to add to your avocado toast.
So you just mix it right in with your
You
avocado?
mix it right in.
I've never heard of that.
Yeah, so just 1 scoop of collagen, and the product that we're using here is Shaklee's Collagen 9.
You know, most people, they use collagen because they want their hair to look great, they want their nails to look great, they want their joints to feel nice and smooth and not so achy.
But you know, the great thing about collagen is it actually helps our body to make collagen.
Wow.
Yeah, and collagen is what provides all that strength and structure to our body, so to our joints, to our skin, to our hair. So of course we want to be giving our body all the things that it needs in order to support the production of collagen. And that's exactly what Collagen 9 does. So it has all of the building blocks for collagen. It has vitamin C, which is important for collagen production. Then it has biotin as well.
You're gonna be joining us back in a little bit, so thank you so much for sharing these. And I think we gotta try this out now.
Yeah.
Thank you. Oh my God.
Is it really good?
It tastes like a brownie.